Hello guys, welcome back to Akshay's blog. Hope you guys are doing really great. Yes, we are back with another video and another interesting video. In fact, so randomly this thought actually came into my mind. I was just trying to explore like what type of other weird courses are there that can be seen across our globe, and that is one such thing that made me actually do this vlog. So I could actually see a few of some weird courses across the online that is actually available, and you actually get a degree certificate if you do this course. Okay, so those kind of some funniest and weirdest course that you don't actually get to find in India is what we are going to look out in our today's video. So before getting into the video, you know what needs to be done. If you are new to our channel, do subscribe, click on the like button and share this video, guys. I'm not getting any subscriptions, maybe because I'm not posting content on regular basis, but I'll make sure that I post videos on regular basis. For that I need all your support, so go do click on the like button, subscribe and share this video to all your family members and friends, so that gives me more amount of motivation and energy to create new videos. So let's get into the video without wasting much time. So the first weirdest course is the zombie studies. Yes, you might be wondering what zombie, what is he talking? I know like most of the kids and all those late 90s and early 2K kids would be actually interested with the zombie studies, because you guys used to play, right, a lot of video games and stuff where you go and shoot this zombie and all. Especially when I was during my 10th and 9th standard and all, these kind of games, even today this Call of Duty, these kind of games involves a lot of zombies, right? So actually there is a typical degree course which you can do. There's a subject. So here you have, right, computer science. If you are in commerce, you will be having accounts, statistics, those kind of courses you will be having, right? Similar way, there is a course on the zombie studies, in which university means the University of Balitro. These people have a study, a separate subject for the zombie studies, in order to attract all the next generation of kids who actually believe in this kind of culture. Here, if you believe in zombie and all, people will tell it is a superstitious belief, you're not allowed to believe that, this, and they don't actually take it seriously. But in other part of Western culture, they actually wanted to try something new and implement it. So whoever loves zombie, go take admission in the University of Baltimore. Probably that is in USA is what I feel. So this is one weirdest course. If you think that there can be a course that can be made on something called zombie or a weird character, you should know that there is a degree course on this as well. Next course, this was one of the course that actually hit me hard. Okay, I was like wondering, am I like literally serious? Then when I went to the website of the university and I like typically checked, and this course is actually available. Uh, you guys go to the two malls and other places where you go and play this bowling, right? All the on weekends and all. If you're from a city like Bangalore and all, you have this place called Amoeba or Go Bowling, where you can go and do the bowling and play. Picture would be attached so that you would be easily having an idea. Actually, there is a typical degree course where you study this subject and get a pass mark, you get a degree certificate. So the course name is called as the Bowling Industrial Management. So they'll be teaching you about the complete types of bowling, how the object is made, what velocity you actually, here and all we just go pay the money, take the ticket and time pass we go do. People who have like proper practice, give it a proper one shot. But here they'll be teaching you, there is an academy set of teachers would be teaching you about the history of bowling, how it started and in what velocity, what speed you do, so that all the you actually throw it in a proper speed and you get all the bottles out there cleared. So the university is the Vincennes University, that is available at Indiana. From Indiana, this university is there, and this is another typical weird course that none of us would have actually even imagined that a degree certificate would be given for this course. So this subject is there, so anybody interested in bowling can go actually try this course in Indiana. Now we finished bowling. Let's get into the next interesting part. Okay, I still remember. Now I don't know how many of you all watch TVs, but still, if kids, you guys are watching this video is for you. Okay, so when I used to watch TV in my childhood days, there would be a lot of background disturbance in my areas and stuff. So I always have an habit of going and sitting and watching TV, right, with a very close distance. Okay, so all my parents, relatives, whoever come home used to bark and scream at me. They were like, you're going to injure your eyes and it's going to affect your eye conscious if you're going to watch, eye vision if you're going to watch TV sitting at a very close distance, please maintain some gap. But in this university, the Montclair State University in United States of America has a course on how to watch TV. How to watch TV, they have a particular course and they offer a degree certificate for this as well. So how to watch TV is the course. So here they teach you what needs to be watched, how you need to watch, what distance you need to maintain, what velocity and color you need to maintain onto the screen so that it doesn't affect your vision, each and everything. Here we just open the remote on the TV, click on our channel, keep the volume. Here they'll teach you what volume you need to keep, what channel color needs to be there, saturation, so much background work would be there, what color you need to maintain, what channel you need to watch, so that according to your age gap, they teach you also what type of channel and what type of genres of shows you need to watch. How to watch and what to watch on a TV is what the Montclair State University actually offers you. So this is another typically an interesting course that I probably never even imagined. Maybe in my school days, teachers used to teach me, like in my lower KG grades and all, you should not watch more TV, you'll have to study that, this. But how to watch a TV, this is definitely a weird course that none of us would have probably heard of. Next course is maybe it might be weird, but at the same time, this is another interesting. It is a must-needed course, is what I would say. I would like to appeal that even in India and across our states, if they introduce such course, no, it would be really great, because I've seen like so many people undergoing something called as body shaming over the recent days. Even right since my school days, this was happening. If people are little fat, they start teasing them with some nicknames. They say that you're fat. But in the Washington University, they have something called as the fat studies. They have a separate course, they have a separate syllabus, they have a separate subject which teaches you completely regarding obesity, on the fat literature, how to control fat, and if you are fat, how to overcome those kind of issues, how to be mentally fit in order to avoid this kind of body shaming issues and stuff. Even in today's generation, if somebody is fat and they walk on the road, we give a sign language. Most of us, I'm not telling everybody supports body shaming. I'm totally against it. I don't support it also, because we shouldn't be doing that. Maybe they would be having some genetic disorder or by birth also. We shouldn't be doing that. We need to be an example to the next generation, isn't it? But here there is something called as the fat studies. If you are fat, how to overcome it, or if you are not fat, how to support people who are undergoing this. There's a separate syllabus in the George Washington University. So this is another weird course which offers a degree on the course the fat studies. Next course, next part of this example which I'm going to tell, the weirdest course, the next example which I'm going to tell, most of the 90s kids can actually relate. And maybe even I was not into this culture of comic books. I'm not sure how many or how the generation is now, but when I was a kid, I still remember my senior sisters and all. They were also of my age back then. They used to read all this kind of comic books and stuff. So 90s kids can actually relate to this. You guys would be fond of all this kind of comic books and stuff, right? I also used to read, but later on I lost the interest on it. Maybe because I'm dumb when it comes to comics, or probably due to some shit that did happen there. But all the 90s kids can actually be amazed that there is a course on something called as the comic book. On a comic book, there's a separate course. So Minneapolis College of Art and Design, MCAD is what they call. They have a separate course on the on comic book, on how you can publish design, how to create a comic, how to develop a character, how to portray and form a story so that it would attract the crowd and the generation wise thing. Even our old age people also would be actually reading comics, right? And even people like me also, maybe, who knows, people who love comics and anime also. Yesterday also I was like actually talking to my friend, and she was like, I'm a very big fan of animes and comics. So people who actually love this can actually take up this course, but sadly it is not available in our country. You need to go to other countries and read it. But just I wanted to keep you posted that there is something called MCAD. There's a course that is available where you can have a complete knowledge on how to portray a comic book. Next few courses I actually read through in few of the website, which university it is not clearly mentioned, but it is a valid website. Okay, it is a valid website from where I actually researched this. So first thing is auctioneering. So for people who don't know what auctioneering is, it is called as bidding. So if you watch cricket and all in IPL and all, they'll be taking this bidding, right? So if there is one player, he'll be having one prize. So for that price, whoever is ready to pay more amount of money, they'll be taking. So I'll tell you in one line what it is. So basically, I'm having this mobile phone with me. So I'm giving a base. I'm ready to sell this mobile phone. I'm having a base price of 2000 rupees for this phone. Okay, I'm telling the base price is 2000, and this is a really good phone. Okay, so many people would be interested to purchase it. So one person, there will be many competitors. They'll be telling, I'm ready to pay 2500. The opponent will tell, I'm ready to pay 3.5, 4.5. So whoever is ready to pay more amount of budget and to maximum extreme, there they'll close. That is called auctioneering. But there are various methods and tactics how you need to win in auctioneering. Maybe in IPL, and it is a crores of business project, right? Even in government also, there is something called as bidding and auction that happens in our country only. In so many business also, corporate companies also, these kind of auctioneering happens. So to focus and prepare your career in auctions, there is a certain university which trains you as an auction coordinator, auctioneer, and also back-end auction team also. So just not an auctioneer, there will be a separate team. So there is one particular degree course that is available which teach you on auction basis also. I am a science student, so I don't know if commerce studying students or history or art studying students are having these kind of exhibitions and courses happening. If yes, do please do drop in onto the comment box telling that we have actually having this contest. But I did see, I was like totally mad into auctioning like few days back. Not like seriously, a dumb auction, a real auction. So I saw like so many YouTube videos where they conduct this mock IPLs, mock auctions and stuff and all. So if anybody wants to study auction, you can also research where it is available, which university it is available, and actually study as well. So this is another crazy course that you wouldn't have actually heard of. So we have come to the last two weirdest course. One is called as the scuba diving course, where you get a valid degree certificate and it is a subject that you need to clear. So scuba diving is nothing. If you are fond of this beach rides, coracle rides, bike rides, skating in the beach, oceans and all, this is a particular course. I am attaching the photo so that you can have an idea. So that is a valid degree certificate. I never even heard of this kind of courses in India. Maybe there would be a separate trainer who would actually train you to do such courses to become a professional in scuba diving and stuff. But in diving and scuba diving, but in terms of complete professional degree certificate and a university course, I never heard of. Maybe in Washington, there is a university which teaches you this, is what I heard. Also, there is one university in Canada which actually gives you a proper training about the scuba diving. So, if anybody wants to explore scuba diving, you can actually try this. And also in our country itself, in New Delhi, there is a college, there is a university, open university, which gives you training on floral degree course. So floral degree course is nothing but if you go to weddings and other functions and you will find the flower decoration that happens, right? The proper flower decoration. Maybe I know a lot of flower decorators, but all the guys who work there don't have a valid degree certificate at all. Everything by experience only. So if I have to give a simple example, there's a local mechanic near my house who comes and services my vehicle and all. Doesn't mean he's an automobile engineer. He didn't even graduate his schooling. Same way here, these days the guys here all over experience is what they have done. So typically, but if you want a valid degree certificate and do something professionally into event management and flower decorating, there's a valid degree course also. You can go research on which university is giving you these kind of courses. So that is the video, guys. I'm pretty sure most of the courses that I did tell you wouldn't have heard. Maybe there would be an academy which teaches you, but giving you a professional degree and a valid course certificate, maybe you wouldn't have definitely heard. And most of the courses are not available in India also. And my personal feeling would be there should be a degree course which actually let you explore your feelings. I mean, explore your talent, explore what you want to become. There should be one degree course. You shouldn't be forced into actually taking medical, engineering, or commerce or arts. There should be a particular course which actually lets you explore your talent and develop in one particular path itself. Probably Japan and other parts of the eastern countries are actually in the process of developing such courses. Probably in our country, India also, one fine day this would happen, so that the future generation kids would actually end up choosing their passion instead of being forced to take up any course. So these are the weird courses, guys. Do subscribe, like, share and support. Maybe the video length is too much, but I am gonna be back soon with so many other vlogs regularly. Weekly one vlog, promise from my end, provided you go and subscribe to my channel, okay? See you all in another great video. Until then, take care. Chalo, see you. Show love. Stay safe. Corona second wave is also coming up. See you guys in another video. Bye.